Hi students, this is Jyoti, Miss your computer teacher. Children, in last class we learned second lesson, that is computer switch on and switch off. Means how we can start a computer and how we will switch off a computer. That lesson we are learning. In the topic in last class we learned uh, switch on and switch off a computer. Means in that process we learned how to switch on a computer. We learned in the last class. Okay children, all of you open your computer textbook and see page number 14. Second lesson, computer switch on and switch off. Okay, in this lesson we learned in last class how to switch on a computer. How we will switch on a computer? First we should uh, switch on the main power supply. Next, switch on the USB. Next, switch on the CPU. Next, switch on the monitor. Then the desktop will appear like this. Okay, in this desktop these small pictures are there. We called as icons. Okay, that we learned in last class. Okay, after finishing, so we open computer after finishing work. Then how we can switch off the computer, means how we can shut down the computer, that now we will see today. Okay children, so today we are going to learn how to shut down the computer or how to switch off the computer. Okay, see, after finishing the work on computer, it should be switched off properly. We follow these steps to switch off the computer. So children, after finishing your work, you must switch off the computer properly, otherwise the system will get damaged. Otherwise the system will get damaged. Otherwise the softwares will, some software will crushed, means some softwares will damage. Okay, it will be uninstalled or deletes. So that's why we shut down our system properly. So to shut down our system or to switch off our system, what are the steps? Now we will see. See children, first right click the start button, click shut down or sign out, click shut down. If you observe children, see here is a start button is there, no? Here is a start button. Here if you click, okay, then here one option is will come, that is shut down. If you click on shut down, then the system will automatically, it will shut down. Click on shut down. Next, the fourth step, the message shutting down appears. In a few seconds the monitor turns blank. Now switch off the power button on the monitor. When you click on shut down button, few seconds it will look like this. After that it will become like this and automatically the monitor will shut down. Okay, after completing this the monitor will become full black. Then what you have to do? Switch off the monitor button. Okay, monitor button switch off. Next, after that switch off the power button on the UPS. After that what you should do? Switch on the UPS button. Sorry, switch off the UPS button. After clicking shut down, the message shut down appears. Next, like this message will come. After few seconds, the monitor become full black. Then you switch off power button of the monitor. Okay. Next, switch off the UPS button. Next, switch off the main switch button. Okay children. So this is the process of shutting down the computer or switch off the computer. What is first? Right click the start button. Next, shut down or sign out button click. Next, click on shut down button. Okay, after that shutting down, a blank screen message will come. After that a blank screen comes on monitor. Then you switch off the power button, then switch off the UPS, then switch off the main supply. So this is the process of the switch off the computer. Okay, shutting down a computer save electricity. Okay, after completing your work, you shut down the computer, it saves electricity. Okay, so this is about the how to switch off the computer. Okay, next, see children, once page number 17 activity time. Here is there no, first one is multiple choice answer, question and answers. Okay, section A, tick, write the correct answer. Here three questions are given. Now we will see. It sends power supply to the computer. Which one sends power supply? CPU or UPS or monitor? UPS sends power supply to the computer. Okay, next, these are small pictures on desktop, folders, emotions, icons. What is the answer? Icons. Okay, next, UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Uninterrupted power supply. You tick here. Okay, so this is a multiple choice question and answers. Next, see question and answers, children. What is the desktop? The starting screen of the computer is called desktop. Okay. What are icons? The desktop has many small pictures on it. These are called icons. Next, what is the proper way of switching off a computer? So now I said no, what are the steps, that all, there is no place to write, that's why I left this writing answer. Okay, you also no need to write. I will send notes for this all question and answers, that all I will send notes in PDF format in assignments group in school app. Okay children, so no don't bother about that, just you write fill these blanks in textbook. Okay, next, see hearts. Why should you switch off the power button on the CPU after shutting down the computer? Why should you switch off the power button on the CPU after shutting down the computer? To switch off the work, to make the CPU off the work, to make the CPU to make the off the CPU. Okay, so this is the about hearts. Okay children, if you did not power off the CPU, the CPU will running like that only, no, that is about that one. Okay, next, see page number 18 children. Here one activity given, activity time. Here one activity given. See children, what is this? Number the steps to start a computer. Here 4 pictures given, no, 1 2 3 4. Here this boy is switch oning the UPS. Here switch on the that main power supply. Here switch on the CPU. Here switch on the monitor. So in these 4 pictures, 4 activities, which activity first you have to do if you want to switch on the computer? What is the first activity? Yes, this one. So first you should switch on main power supply. Next, you should switch on UPS. Next, you switch on CPU. This is 3. Okay, and last one, switch on monitor. So this is 4th one. Okay, next, see what is the B here. Number the steps switch off the computer. So if you switch off the computer, what are the steps? First, you here click the start button. After that, click the shutdown button. Next, like this it will come. Next, blank screen it will come. This is 3. Next, switch off the UPS. Next, last, switch off the main power supply. Okay, this lab work we will see in school, and this also discussion time. Proper start and shutdown of computers is very important. Discuss. Why? Because if you should not shut down or start, if you should not do start or shut down the computer properly, then the computer will get damage. Okay, and it will give so many problems, and it will hang. Computer will hang the when you should not shut down properly the computer. Okay, and starting also. So this is about the second lesson children. I completed explanation also. Okay, I will send notes for this lesson in school assignments group in the school app. Okay, so write that notes in your CW as early as possible complete your CW. Now I am closing this class. Okay. In next class we will see parts of a computer. Okay. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.